5 makeup styles men find beautiful. Makeup has always been a powerful tool for women to enhance their natural features, express their individuality, and feel confident. But when it comes to the styles that men find beautiful, there are a few makeup looks that consistently catch their attention. Men, just like women, have preferences, and those preferences often revolve around simplicity, elegance, and the enhancement of natural beauty rather than masking it. In this video, we'll explore 5 makeup styles that men tend to find beautiful in women based on insights, studies, and of course, real-world observations. These looks range from fresh-faced to bold, with each style offering a different kind of charm that resonates with men. One of the key factors men appreciate is authenticity. They are drawn to makeup that complements a woman's natural features instead of completely altering her appearance. While men have varied tastes, some makeup styles have gained more attention than others, and it's often about the balance between subtlety and boldness. Let's dive into the first makeup style that men can't seem to resist: the natural makeup look. You've probably heard it called no makeup makeup, but it's not about not wearing makeup at all. It's about enhancing your features in a subtle, effortless way. The aim is to let your natural beauty shine through, and it starts with clear, radiant skin. Think about a fresh, glowing complexion that doesn't look overdone, but rather like you just woke up with perfect skin. Subtle blush to add a soft flush to your cheeks, a hint of mascara to open up the eyes, and perhaps a touch of neutral eyeshadow to highlight your features without making them the center of attention. The beauty of this style lies in its simplicity. Men find this look undeniably beautiful for one simple reason: it radiates authenticity. There's something about a woman who looks effortlessly beautiful, as if she's not trying too hard, that draws them in. When a woman wears natural makeup, it often conveys that she's comfortable in her own skin and not trying to cover up her flaws with layers of product. According to various studies and surveys about men's preferences, the natural makeup look is seen as a sign of confidence. A woman who chooses this style is often perceived as more approachable and down to earth. It's as if she's saying, "I'm beautiful just as I am." And let's be honest, this natural approach often feels refreshing compared to the heavily contoured looks that can sometimes seem a little too much. There's something charming about knowing that the woman in front of you doesn't need a bunch of makeup to feel good about herself. The natural look shows that she's comfortable with her own features and not hiding behind layers of foundation or color. In fact, many men find it attractive when a woman appears low maintenance in this way. It suggests confidence and self-assurance, qualities that are definitely appealing. So the next time you reach for your makeup bag, consider embracing the natural makeup look. It's simple, fresh, and undeniably attractive because it celebrates who you really are, flaws and all. The second makeup style that always seems to catch a man's eye is the classic, defined look. Imagine it as a more polished version of the natural makeup style, where the goal is to contour your face and enhance your features without overdoing it. This look is all about balance. You're focusing on making your face stand out in a more sophisticated, refined way. The classic defined look typically includes a bold eyeliner to accentuate the eyes, well-shaped brows to frame the face, and a touch of highlighter to bring out the natural dimension of your cheekbones and other features. It's the kind of style that's chic and timeless, perfect for women who want to look put together without appearing overly made up. What makes this look so appealing to men is the sense of elegance and refinement it radiates. Men are often drawn to women who take the time to enhance their features in a way that feels deliberate but not overly fussy. A well-defined eyeliner, for example, can make your eyes appear larger and more captivating, adding a hint of mystery that many men find alluring. Defined brows are another key element. They not only frame your face but also add structure, giving you a more polished, confident appearance. It's these small details that create a look of elegance without being too bold or dramatic. The beauty of the classic look lies in its versatility. It's both timeless and modern. Men appreciate a woman who has taken the time to define her features, whether it's through soft eyeliner, a touch of mascara, or that perfect lip color. Speaking of which, the lips in this look are typically kept soft with a neutral color that doesn't compete with the eyes or the cheekbones. It's subtle yet polished, making you look effortlessly sophisticated. This makeup style is perfect for those moments when you want to look elegant but not overly dramatic. It gives off the vibe of someone who's confident and well put together without appearing like they spent hours in front of the mirror. Men love the sense of self-assurance that comes with this makeup style. It says, "I've got this," without needing to say a word. So if you're aiming for a polished, elegant look that turns heads in the best way possible, the classic defined style is the way to go. The third style is a bit more daring, the bold lips look. Bold statement lips have been a symbol of power and confidence for decades. When you choose a strong lip color, like deep red, plum, or even a bright fuchsia, you're making a statement. Men are often drawn to this style because it's attention-grabbing and exudes confidence. A woman who isn't afraid to wear a bold lip can come across as strong, independent, and self-assured, traits that men tend to find extremely attractive. But it's not just about the lip color. The rest of the makeup should be kept simple to avoid overwhelming the face. A clean complexion, neutral eyeshadow, and soft lashes can help balance out the boldness of the lips. The combination of a strong lip and minimal makeup on the rest of the face creates a striking, memorable look that is sure to make an impression. Men tend to appreciate this balance as it shows that you're bold, but still know how to keep things in check. Next, we have the glamorous evening look. This makeup style is reserved for special occasions, where you want to turn heads and make a statement. It typically includes smoky eyes, long lashes, contouring, and a bold lip. The glamorous look is all about creating drama, and men tend to be attracted to the energy it gives off. A woman wearing glamorous makeup looks like she's ready for a night out, confident and ready to take on the world. What makes the glamorous look so appealing to men is its boldness. It exudes power and allure, two qualities that many men find attractive. It's a look that says, "I'm here and I'm confident in who I am." When paired with a confident attitude and a fun night out, this style becomes even more irresistible. Men love a woman who knows how to command attention without saying a word. And the glamorous makeup look does exactly that. Finally, we have the sun-kissed look. This makeup style is all about a warm, bronzed glow that makes you look like you've just spent a day at the beach. It's a natural yet elevated look, with a focus on bronzer, a subtle highlight, and warm tones for the eyes. Men find the sun-kissed look attractive because it's associated with health and vitality. A bronze glow suggests that you're active and outdoorsy, and it highlights your skin's natural warmth. This style works well for both day and evening looks. A subtle, sun-kissed glow during the day gives off an effortless, beachy vibe, while a more dramatic glow at night can be both sultry and radiant. Men tend to be drawn to women who look vibrant and full of life, and the sun-kissed makeup style conveys just that. It's warm, inviting, and definitely attention-grabbing. Each of these makeup styles offers something unique, but what ties them all together is their focus on enhancing natural beauty. Men tend to appreciate women who embrace their features and use makeup as a way to highlight their best qualities, rather than hide them. While makeup can certainly be a form of self-expression and creativity, these 5 looks have been found to be particularly attractive to men because they balance elegance, confidence, and authenticity. It's important to remember, however, that beauty is subjective. What one man finds beautiful may differ from another's opinion, and that's completely okay. The key is to wear the makeup that makes you feel good about yourself. Confidence is the ultimate factor that makes any makeup style truly beautiful. So whether you prefer a natural look or a bold lip, the most important thing is that you feel empowered and happy with your appearance. In the end, makeup is not just about making yourself look beautiful for others. It's about feeling good, expressing yourself, and embracing your uniqueness. Men may find certain styles attractive, but it's the confidence and authenticity behind those looks that truly make a woman stand out. So go ahead, experiment with different styles, and find the one that makes you feel like your best self. After all, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and confidence is always the most beautiful thing you can wear. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to catch all our latest content. Got questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments section and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.